Ever watched a relay race and wondered what's really going on during those lightning-fast baton exchanges? It looks chaotic, right? Like a choreographed mess of speed and outstretched hands. But beneath the surface, there's a strict set of rules governing these crucial moments, rules that can make or break a team's chances of victory. Today, we're diving deep into the world of relay exchange rules, breaking down everything you need to know to understand this exciting aspect of track and field. Think about it, a relay race isn't just about four individuals running fast. It's about the team. And the baton exchange is the ultimate expression of that teamwork. A perfect exchange can gain you precious seconds, while a botched one can cost you the race. So, what exactly are these all-important rules? First things first, let's talk about the exchange zone. This isn't just a random stretch of the track. It's a precisely marked 20-meter zone, and every exchange must happen within its boundaries. Think of it as a tiny window of opportunity, a fleeting moment where the outgoing runner must receive the baton from the incoming runner. Exchanging outside this zone? That's an automatic disqualification. No exceptions. Now, you might be picturing a dramatic, hand-to-hand transfer, like in the movies. While that is part of it, there's more to it than just the physical handoff. The rules actually focus more on the baton than the hands. The baton must be passed within the zone. It doesn't matter if the runner's hands are in or out, as long as the baton is exchanged within that 20-meter space. This brings us to a crucial point, the visual exchange. This is a technique used by many teams to maximize speed and efficiency. The outgoing runner starts running before the incoming runner arrives, building up momentum. The incoming runner then places the baton in the outstretched hand of the outgoing runner, often without even slowing down significantly. The key here is that the outgoing runner must be running at full speed when they receive the baton. This is where the visual aspect comes in. The outgoing runner is looking forward, focusing on their run, and the incoming runner is responsible for placing the baton securely in their hand. It's a trust exercise, a testament to the team's practice and coordination. Another important rule revolves around interference. Imagine this. You're the anchor leg, sprinting towards the finish line, and a competitor from another team intentionally bumps you or obstructs your path. That's interference, and it's strictly prohibited. Similarly, any action by a runner that impedes another team's exchange, whether intentional or not, can result in disqualification. Fair play is paramount in relay racing, and the rules are designed to ensure a level playing field for all competitors. Now, let's talk about the baton itself. It's not just a random stick. It's a crucial piece of equipment, and there are rules surrounding its handling. The baton must be carried in the hand throughout the race. Dropping it? That's a big no-no. It's not an automatic disqualification, but it can cost valuable time and momentum, effectively ending a team's chances of winning. And remember, the baton is the only thing that's physically passed from runner to runner. No pushing, no shoving, no helping each other along. Just the baton. What about if a runner accidentally drops the baton outside the exchange zone? Well, they can pick it up, but they have to retrieve it themselves. No help from teammates or coaches is allowed. This underscores the individual responsibility each runner has for the baton. It's their responsibility to receive it, carry it, and hand it off correctly. Beyond the technical rules, there's an unspoken code of conduct in relay racing. Teams are expected to respect each other, to compete fairly, and to adhere to the spirit of the rules. While winning is important, it shouldn't come at the cost of sportsmanship. Now, you might be wondering about different relay formats. The rules we've discussed generally apply to all standard relay races, whether it's the 4x100 meter or the 4x400 meter. However, there might be slight variations depending on the specific competition or governing body. For example, some races might have slightly different exchange zone markings or specific rules regarding baton placement. It's always important for athletes and coaches to familiarize themselves with the specific rules of the event they're participating in. One common question is about runners starting too early. If the outgoing runner leaves the exchange zone before the incoming runner arrives, it's a false start. This can result in a warning or even disqualification, depending on the severity of the infraction. Timing is everything in a relay race, and even a fraction of a second too early can be costly. Another interesting aspect of relay exchanges is the strategy involved. Teams spend countless hours practicing their exchanges, perfecting their technique, and developing a strategy that works best for them. The order of the runners, the type of exchange used, and the specific cues used between runners are all carefully considered and practiced repeatedly. A well-executed exchange is a thing of beauty, a testament to the team's dedication and coordination. So, next time you watch a relay race, pay close attention to the exchanges. You'll see the precision, the speed, and the teamwork that goes into these crucial moments. You'll understand the importance of the rules and the impact they have on the outcome of the race. You'll appreciate the skill and athleticism of the runners, not just as individuals, but as a cohesive unit working together to achieve a common goal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.